lay out sufficient materials for the first table. Set out the basic falsework grid using the ledgers and place the bases at each corner. Fix each jack into a base and locate in the jack base holes using the integral locking plunger. Adjust the jacks to the approximate extensions as indicated on the design drawings. Where there will be a second level to the falsework, place the joint sleeve at one end of each standard and connect using a Rapidshor sleeve clip. Slide the first 4 standards over the 4 base jacks in a square formation. Attach a Rapidshor ledger into the lowest rosette position on the 2 standards. Connect a Rapidshor ledger to one of the standards on the same rosette at a right angle. Using a third operative, raise and connect a third jack and standard combination and connect it to the remote end of the Rapidshor ledger. Complete the first bay by adding a 4th jack and standard combination and 2 more Rapidshor ledgers at the same level. Recheck the height of the jacks. Now, with the spirit level, check that the ledgers are level and adjust jacks if required. Ensure the bay is square by measuring the diagonals of the bay to ensure that they are the same, and adjust the squareness of the bay if required. Once level and square, tap the ledger wedges with a hammer to secure. Connect a Rapidshor ledger to the frame at right angles and at the same level as the previous. Connect the remote end of this Rapidshor ledger to a 5th jack and standard combination. Complete the second bay by adding a 6th standard and 2 more Rapidshor ledgers at the same level. Add further bays in a similar manner as required. Check the line and level as each additional bay is completed. On the perimeter bays only, place a board bearer across each bay on the lowest level of the ledgers and secure using the grub screw. Lay scaffold boards across the bays to allow safe access to the next level. Working from the ground, add scaffolders guardrails to the perimeter of the structure, 1 meter above the bottom level of ledgers and on both sides of the perimeter access. Working from the ground and the perimeter access, fit the next level of ledgers at the heights shown on the drawing. Add the bracing as detailed on the design drawings. Braces simply clip into the ends of the ledger for a fast and safe connection. If a short lift of standards is used at the base of the structure, work from the perimeter access and place the next lift of standards. A half-meter hop-up or 1-meter step-up platform is available if required. Working from the perimeter access, fit the scaffolder's guardrail to the perimeter of the structure, 1 meter above the second lift of ledgers. For 1.5 meter lift Rapidshor structures, a half-meter scaffolder's hop-up may be used to access these operations. For 2 meter lift structures, use a 1 meter scaffolder's step-up. Place a board bearer across the top level of the second level of ledgers in every bay and secure using the grub screw. Lay scaffold boards across the bay to provide a safe working access to the next level over the full area of the structure. Ensure all site operatives working on the scaffold boards are wearing full PPE and harnesses are appropriately and securely connected to the prefixed shoring structure. Working from the second access level, place the next level of standards over the spigots with joint sleeves pre-fitted if shoring extends higher. Connect the next level of ledgers and braces as directed on the drawing. Continue this process until the desired height of table is reached, ensuring operatives wear full PPE and that safety harnesses are properly secured at all times. Relocate or fit additional board bearers and scaffold boards and continue to increase the height of the shoring, adopting the same technique, ensuring that bracing is fitted progressively with each lift of shoring, and scaffolders' guardrails are secured above each working platform before accessing that level. Once the top level is reached, adjust the top jack and U-head combination to the approximate height required and install them into the top of the standard. No joint sleeve is required. Recheck the height of the jacks and adjust as needed. The pre-assembled formwork, consisting of primary and secondary beams and plywood, can now be lifted into position on top of the shoring and secured to the U-head.